Hi, my name is Audrey Fan, and I'm an assistant professor of neurology and biomedical engineering. My lab develops new neuroimaging technologies to better understand brain function and physiology in human aging and cerebrovascular disease. The best part of being in this field is how interdisciplinary it is and how I get to serve as the bridge between engineers developing the technologies and dementia researchers and clinicians. Our R01 grant from the National Institutes of Neurological Disorders and Stroke uses MRI, or magnetic resonance imaging, to create images of oxygen extraction fraction in the brain. Even though it's only 2 to 5% of our body weight, the human brain consumes up to 20% of the oxygen available in the body. And its ability to extract and use oxygen is important for healthy brain function. So our NIH project measures oxygen extraction fraction in older people to understand how aging and vascular injury affects brain metabolism and the brain's functional connections. Oxygenation in the brain is important but challenging to measure non-invasively because if you look at a brain tissue sample, only 6% of it is blood volume, so the signal we have to work with is very low. Engineers in our lab have developed new MRI methods with specialized pulse sequences and kinetic modeling to measure oxygen extraction fraction even from these low blood signals. Our MRI method could help patients at risk of dementia identify more subtle changes earlier in brain oxygen metabolism and potentially allow us to intervene before brain atrophy or cognitive impairment happens. I'm the leader of the neuroimaging core of our UC Davis Alzheimer's Disease Research Center, and my R01 and other federal grants support imaging in over 500 older individuals at risk of dementia from our local community. The key part of our MRI scans is that it is longitudinal. We follow how the brain changes at different time points as our participants age and during cognitive changes. So if federal funding is cut, we will not only lose critical time points in observing the brain, we risk breaking long-standing community ties with our participants who volunteer their time for our studies and deeply inform the impact of our science.